Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change country or region on your iPhone iOS 18 without payment. So if you want to change country or region on your iPhone and iOS 18 to any country, and if you do not want to pay anything, so without payment method, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for settings. So here you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset all network settings. And after resetting all the network settings, you have to simply go back. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here. In name or Apple ID, you will find many of the things. One of the option is the media purchases. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, you have to simply click on view account. And here, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface will be available. So here you have to simply find country or region. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to select the country before you provide the country edition. So you have to simply click on country, change country or region. So here, if you want to change country to United States without payment method, so you have to simply select the country, and after that, you have to wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface will be available. So here you have to simply provide, agree the terms and conditions. And after that, what you have to do, you will find many payment methods. So one of the option is a credit card, debit card, PayPal, and you can also find the none option here. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to provide your street number, city, state, and also provide your zip code. And after that, you have to simply click on next. And after some verification, your country or region will be changed to United States without payment method or without payment. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.